So in question 18, we are given the times in seconds that 15 people waited to be served at Rose's Garden Centre. And there's all the times there in seconds. On a grid, we're asked to draw a box plot for this information. Now, thankfully, they've put the data in order for us. And in order to draw a box plot, we need some information. We need the minimum value. We need the lower quartile. We're going to need the median. We're going to need the upper quartile, and we're going to need the maximum. Once we have all of those, we're away in a hat. Okay, 15 people. So where's the median? The median should be right bang smack in the middle. Now, if there's 15 people, if I choose person number 8, that means I've got 7 to the left and 7 to the right, which means the 8 value must be in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's our median. Okay, now to get the lower quartile, I need the median of everything to the left of the median. So I need the median of this part here in blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of data, which means the median must be the middle of that group must be the 4th, and that's what we call the lower quartile. And the upper quartile, done in the same way, I need the middle value of everything to the right of the median. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the upper quartile. You can see I've got an even number both sides of the lower quartile, an even number both sides of the upper quartile, and I got the same number both sides of the median. So nice and easy. And then finally I need the minimum value and the maximum value. So we should be able to draw our box plot now. The lowest value is 5. So there it goes there. The highest value is 44, which is going to be there. The lower quartile is 14, and the upper quartile is 30. So I am saving myself a little bit of time by getting the box in. And the median is 25, which is here. So just finish it off now. Okay, right, so that's our box plot drawn. Now it says that the box plot below shows the distribution of the times that people waited to be served at Green's Garden Centre. We're asked to compare the distribution of the times that people waited at Rose's Garden Centre and the distribution of the times that people waited at Green's Garden Centre. Crucial word in this question is the word compare. And that means we need to talk about a average, and we need to talk about a measure of spread. So let's look at the average first of all. We can see in Green's Garden Centre the median value is 21, but in Rose's it's 25. So what I can say is on average, people had to wait longer at Rose's Garden Centre, okay, as the median waiting time is bigger. Bigger median waiting time means on average people had to wait longer. But we can see the interquartile range for Rose's Garden Centre is smaller than it is for Green's Garden Centre. That means that the waiting time at roses was more consistent than greens. The reason, as the interquartile range is smaller. Smaller interquartile range means the data is less spread out, which means it's more consistent. It's less variable. And that's all you have to do to get your marks there. So remember to always comment on an average and a measure of spread, usually the interquartile range, and that will get you full marks.